Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about my HTML and CSS program and in first assignment. So I have two pages right here, index and portfolio, and we can access it in each page. Okay, first page is index.html, which is my CV. Here, curriculum vitae of Samara myself. And in Bachelor Universe Student of Informatics Engineering. So this I use a div right here to make it like a card and make it more beautiful right here, and then I use the finished part of this, the closed element in here, and very last. And then here I use the header. I use three kind of header like here for the header, like H3, H1, and H5. Next is there is a navigation right here. I use two kind of link. First is for this page, and the next the next one is for the another page like this one. This is my another page, like a simple page. And then if I want to come back to my CV, I just came to this one. So the CSS I will explain later. And next I use paragraph right here, and then another paragraph. And this here I use like bold element in the HTML because we need to use this kind of character for before assignment, last assignment of HTML only. And then I use image right here, and also with the alt. So if the link is incorrect, so there's a sentence right here. And then I adjust the width right here. And then there's a table of my language skill right here, and the border is come from here. So if I delete this one, the border won't come out. Then I use div right here to separate this image and table so it come besides each other, not like this, but like this. Then there is a form in here. Basically, I don't know what kind of form that I used to use in the CV, but so I just use basic form. Firstly, we have a like text type of input, like we just only simple text for name. And then next we have an email type. So the email type is need at here, and then the password type, like this one, is if we type something, it won't be visible. It will be invisible. There's an additional information right here. There's a radio button right here. So we use the same name right here to make it a radio button. So if we choose one of this, the another will not be chosen because we used same name right here. And then if I like put another name like here, so if I can choose both because the name is different. Next is hobby, is the kind of checkbox input, and this like text input, and we can upload photo right here, and we can reset here by this button, type of button. And then next is the CSS part, and the CSS part I use the body. This is the body. I use this kind of color and this type of font family for all of the element inside here. And the container is for this one, the white part of the body. I use the white color and the margin of this and this part, and the padding is for this and the inside part, and the border radius and the text align. If I don't use this, it will ruin the text. Look at this. Oh my god. So I use this. And then and there's a navigation right here. I use this kind of display so it will be like looks good. And then I use padding for make a like button for this, and the radius border radius, and the color, and the hover part is like if we hover it, the color will be like more light, and if it's active, it will be red. Look at that. That's yeah. And then for the visited, the link will be like yellow. I set it yellow, and another like just text align and font size. And this is for this one to separate the image and the table, so it comes besides each other, not like up and down, top and bottom each other. And this is for text align, so it's in the center of it. So that's it for my assignment. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.